is how you can turn on eye protection on your PC. So let's get started. First, what you'll want to do is go hover onto your this settings option. Right here, you will see your brightness option. Now make sure that you've turned it down completely. And after you've done that, if you have an option that says night mode right here, just select on it. After you do that, your screen will turn a bit yellowish. If the option is not available here, just go to your settings. After you open up your settings, go to your system, and after you're on your system, you will see the display option. Tap on display, and after you're on your display, you will see night light option right here. Now it might be named your eye protection or night light or night mode. After you find it, just turn it on and it will just turn on a warmer colors on your screen. So this is how you turn on eye protection on your PC. Thanks for watching guys, that is all for this video. Stay tuned for more and bye bye, take care.